Good day, children. Sai Ram. How are you all? Good. Children, I am going to ask you something. Okay? You are going to listen carefully and answer. Okay? Children, if you want a book from your friend, okay? You want a book from your friend. Then what will you do? Are you going to pull the book from your friend's hand? Or are you going to snatch away from your friend's hand? Will you do that? Yes, come on, tell me. No, we should not do that. We should not pull. That is bad manners. Okay? You should not snatch away or you should not pull. That is bad manners. Then what will you do to take the book from your friend? Want the book from your friend? Then what will you do? Yes, you should request him or her to give the book. Okay, you should request your friend to give the book. But how are you going to request? How will you request? Don't know, no? Okay. So today, in today's Active English chapter number 17, we are going to learn the use of please. Okay? For requesting. Okay? So, in today's chapter number 17, we are going to learn the use of please for requesting something or asking something from others. Okay? So, please is a requesting word. What is please? It is a requesting word. So, children, if you want something from someone, okay, or you want the work to be done, okay, then what will you do? You will use the word first, please. That means you are requesting someone to do the work or to give something. Okay, so please is a requesting word. So, if you want a book from your friend, how will you ask? You will say, please give me your book. What will you say? Please give me your book. Okay, this shows that you are requesting your friend to give you the book. Please shows that you are requesting your friend to give the book. If you say give me the book, that means you are ordering. You should not order, you should request. So for requesting, you should use the word please. Please give me your book. Okay? So if you want a book from your friend, you will say, please give me your book. You are requesting your friend to give his book. Okay? Now some more examples I'll show you when to use please. Okay? Now, the children are standing and the teacher wants to make them sit down. So, how is she going to request the children? Will she say, sit down? Will she shout at them and make them sit down? No. Then, how is she going to request them to sit down? Yes. She will say, please sit down. What will she say to the children? Please sit down. So the children are standing. Teacher will say, she'll request the children. How will she request? Please sit down. Please sit down. Okay? So in this way she will request the children to sit down. One more example. Okay, now this boy is eating very fast. Okay, so we want to tell him to eat slowly. Okay, we should not eat fast, right? You know that you should not eat in a hurry. So this boy is eating very fast. So we have to tell him to eat slowly. So how are we going to request him to eat slowly? What will we say? We will say, please eat slowly. Please eat slowly. So what will you say? Please eat slowly. So we will request this boy to eat slowly by saying, please eat slowly. Okay. Next one. An example. Now we want the window to be closed. Okay. Window to be closed. You want to tell someone to close the window. So how are you going to request? We will say, please close the window. What will you say? Please close the window. So if you want someone to close the window, how are you going to request? You will say, please close the window. You should not say close the window. If you say close the window, means that is you are ordering someone. We don't have to order someone. We have to request someone to do our work. Okay? By saying please. What will you say? Please. Okay? Please close the window. If you shout and say close the window, no one is going to listen to you. Okay? So you should request. If you request someone, that means that person will do your work. So please close the window. Understood? Shall we go to the next question? Next sentence. Okay. Now, you want to blow the balloon. Okay, you can't blow the balloon. So you want someone to blow the balloon and give. Okay. So are you going to order blow the balloon and give? No. You should not order. Then how are you going to say? How are you going to request? You will say, please blow the balloon. What will you say? Please blow the balloon. So if you order blow the balloon, no one is going to listen to you. Okay. But if you request someone, then they will do your work. So what will you say? Please blow the balloon. Please blow the balloon. So use please. Okay. So you are going to request. Okay. Go to the next example. Now see these children in the class. They are talking too much. So teacher want to make them quiet. So what the teacher will do? Will she beat them? Will she shout at them? No. Then what she will say? How is she going to request? How the teacher will request them to be quiet? Yes, she will say, please be quiet. What will she say? Please be quiet. If she say please, then the children will be quiet. If she shout, children won't listen to her. They'll talk more, right? So, teacher will request them first. How will she request? Please be quiet. Okay? So, please is a requesting word. When we say please, that means it shows that you are requesting someone to do your work or something to be done, or you want something from someone. We use please. Understood, children? Okay. So children, now you know when to use please. Please is used for requesting someone, okay, to do something, or if you want something, we use please. Okay, so please is a requesting word. So children, now we are going to start with the workbook activity. So now you are going to remove your active English workbook and take your pencil and eraser, okay, and remove page number 25, chapter 17, page number 25, and you are going to write the answers with the teacher. Okay, so are you ready? Take the workbook, active English workbook, remove page number 25, write today's date and then start. Children, whenever you are writing in the workbook, you are going to write a date at the top and then you are going to start. Understood? So here henceforth you are going, before starting, first you are going to write the date at the top and then you write the answers. Okay? Shall we start? The first one. Teacher want to make the child stand. So how will she request? What will she say? Please dash up. So please stand up. Please stand up. Okay? Teacher wants to make that boy or the child stand. So what will she say? Please stand up. Okay? Number 2. See number 2. Please. Now this boy, teacher want to make this boy sit down. So what will she say? Please sit down. What will she say? Please sit down. Children, write the answers. First one is please stand up. Write stand in the blank space. And second one is please sit down. So write sit down in the blank space. Write the answers in the good handwriting, children, without any spelling mistakes. Okay, copy it properly. Finished? Shall we go to the next question? Question number 3. Now, teacher wants the boy to open the window. Open the window. So, how is she going to request? What will she say? Please open the window. What will she say? Please open the window. Write the answer. Open the window. Please already given. Just write open the window. Next one, number 4. Now she wants to close the window. So how she is going to request the child? Just she will say close the window? No. Then what she will say? Yes, she will request by saying please close the window. Please close the window. Okay, write the answer. The third number 3 is please open the window. Number 4 is please close the window. Write the first letter of fourth answer in capital. Please, P capital. Please close the window. Shall we go to the next one? Now, take page number 26. Next page. Page number 26. Now, teacher wants to tell the boy to hold up the book. How will she request? What she will tell? Please hold up the book. Please hold up the book. Write the answer. Hold up the book. Place is already given. Just write hold up the book. The sentence will be please hold up the book. Don't forget to put the full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay. Now next number 2 again. Now teacher wants the child to pick up the book? Will she order pick up the book? No. Then how she is going to request? Yes, by saying, please pick up the book. Please pick up the book. Children, write the answers. First one is, please hold up the book. Please is already given. Just write, hold up the book. Number 2, please pick up the book. Here you are going to write the full sentence. Okay. P capital. Please pick up the book. Finish writing? Go to the next question. Number 3. Teacher wants the children to look at the board. Okay. Then what she'll say? How is she going to request the children to look at the board? Shall she shout, look at the board? No. Then she's going to request the children. How will she request? Please look at the blackboard. Please look at the blackboard. Okay. Please look at the blackboard. So children, here also you are going to write the full sentence. Write on the line. Please look at the blackboard. Finish the sentence with full stop. Okay. So write the full sentence. Please look at the blackboard. Finish writing? Write the correct spellings. Copy the correct spellings, children. We move to the next one. Yes. Now we'll start with number 4 question. What is number 4 question? Draw a tree. What you have to do? You have to draw a tree. Where are you going to draw a tree? You're going to draw a tree in this box. Can you see a box here? Yes. In this box, you have to draw a tree, a big tree. But the tree should not come out of the box. Okay? I will draw and show you. Just see properly and then you are going to draw accordingly. See how teacher is drawing. Okay? Now, draw this way. This way. 1 meter. Again, I will draw and show you. See? This way. Okay? And then draw V in between. And then draw curved lines. Okay? So, our tree is ready. Children, after drawing the tree, what are you going to do? You are going to color the tree also. Which color will you give for the tree? At the top, you are going to give light green color or dark green color, any one. And at the bottom, down part, you are going to give brown color. Which color? Brown color. At the top, light green or dark green. And at the bottom, you are going to give brown color. Understood? Okay. So, draw the tree very nicely. Don't draw the tree out of the box. Okay, it should not come out of the box. Now, next one, number 5. Write your name. Can you see here? Write your name. So, what you are going to do? You are going to write your name here in this blank space. Okay? In this line, you are going to write your name. So, your name and your surname. When you are writing your name, write the first letter in capital and the other letters in small letters. And when you begin the surname, that also surname's first letter should be capital and the rest all in small letter. So, you are going to write your name over there. Understood, children? So, quickly you are going to draw the tree in the box first, and after drawing you are going to color the tree, and after the tree is completed, what are you going to do? Write your name in the blank space. Okay, children? So, children, we have ended with our today's period. Okay, we will meet in the next period with a new chapter. Okay, till then, have a nice day. Bye.